Hello, this is Sal. In today's video, we will be configuring IPsec VPN tunnel between router 1 here for this network and this network here. In this topology diagram, I didn't configure anything on this network. I will walk you through step by step. First, I will configure the interfaces for the routers. Then we'll configure routing, static route and default route between the routers. On router 1, I'll configure a static route, and the same on router 3. And for the ISP router here, in order to reach this network of 192.168.1.0 and 172.16.1.0, because they are not directly connected to it, so we'll configure the default route on the ISP. And here I save this so I can show you. Now when you run this command show version, it will show you here that we have the security package installed on the router, so it will help us configuring the VPN tunnel. But on router 3, if I run the same command, show version, it is not installed for the security package here. So, or simply what you need to do, maybe if you encounter this issue, just all what you need to do just to install it, from the global configuration, license, then boot, model, C1900, technology package, and security. Then hit enter, and then you accept the license, and then you need to reload the router, say yes here, and then confirm it and give it a few seconds till it finishes reloading. I configured this already on router 1, but I wanted to show you just in case you are trying to configure the IPsec VPN, or it is not allowing you to do so. So this is how you simply do it. Show version. And as you can see here, we have the package been installed on router 3, and now we can do our work without any issue. Not to think that there's something wrong with the IPsec, with the packet tracer. So now what I'm going to be doing, as I said, I will configure the interfaces on the routers with you step by step, and everything I'm going to be doing here on this topology diagram, you can find it in the description of this video. Just download the documents and also download the packet tracer, this topology. But first you need to have a packet tracer installed on your system, and just it will walk you through step by step everything I'm gonna be doing on this video. And this will help you with your exam, and just run as many show commands as you can see. Compare, do a comparison between the configuration on the router here and see what you did so far. So this is an easy way to learn, and things you will never forget. Now on router 1 here, configure terminal, I'll configure the interfaces. Interface gig 00, IP address of 192.168.1.0 with one with subnet mask /24 and type no shut. And the interface facing the ISP router of serial 000, IP address of 10.1.1.1 with /30 subnet mask of 255.255.255.252, and open the port with no shut down or no shut. Now go into the ISP router, enable, configure terminal interface, the interface facing router 1 serial 001, IP address of 10.1.1.2 with /30 subnet mask, and open the port. and the other interface facing router 3, serial 000, IP address of 15.1.1.2 with /30 subnet mask 255.255.252 and no shut. Now on router 3, configure terminal, the interface facing router, the ISP router of serial 001, IP address of 15.1.1.1 with /30 subnet mask and no shut. And the other interface of gig 00, IP address of 17.172.16.1.1 255.255.255.0 and no shut. So now if I try to ping from PC8 to PC1 from the command prompt, ping 172.16.1.5, it's telling us it's unreachable. Why? Because we did not configure any kind of routing protocol. So we will configure a static route on router 1 and router 3. The command is like this: to any network, and its gateway will be this interface. This is the next hop, and it is 10.1.1.2. I'll do the same on router 3. Exit from here, IP route 0000 with this subnet mask, and for router 3, its gateway is 15.1.1.2, 15.1.1.2. Now on the ISP router, I'll configure a default route because this network here is not directly connected. So we need to configure a default route, IP route to the network of 192.168.1.0 with this subnet mask. And the gateway to reach this network from our ISP router will be 10.1.1.1, 10.1.1.1. And the same with this network here of 172, because it's not directly connected to it, that 1.0 with the subnet mask 24, and its gateway or the next hop will be 15.1.1.1. Exit from here, and let's run the ping again from PC8 to PC1, and now we have a connection, or the ping is successful. And to run it again from PC1 to PC8, ping 192.168.1.5, and we have a connection. Now let's configure. Now we want the traffic to move from this network of 192.168.1.0 through the internet to be secured and encrypted. Maybe there is another network is connected to router 1, but all what we care about is this network from, this is, let's consider the main office, and this is a branch office, and we want the traffic when it moves from here to here to be encrypted and secured. Maybe another network will be connected here trying to reach this network, but it will not be secured. So what we need to do first here is configure an access list. So extended access list of 100. This is on router 1. We want to permit what? Any internet protocol from where, what is our source address? It will be this network of 192.168.1.0 and the inverse subnet mask of 000.255. This is our source, and the destination will be this network here, or the branch office 172 0.16.1.0 with the inverse subnet mask of 0.0.0.255. Now we configured for the access list to which network, to which subnet that we want to secure the traffic. So now starting with the phase 1 IPsec camp. So the command will go like this: crypto IPsec camp policy, and we will give it the priority of protection suite of 10. Now we want to configure on the IPsec camp or phase 1 the authentication, encryption, the group, the hash, and the lifetime. Let's start with the authentication. Reshare, encryption, AES, 256 bit, 256. Hash, the key is giving me issues today. SHA, sorry about that. And lifetime 3600, and the Diffie-Hellman group 5. Exit from here. Now let's configure the key, which we will share it with this network. So the command goes like this: crypto IPsec camp key. I'll choose the word Cisco, and with what address, with who we want to share it with. This guy on 15.1.1.1, 15.1.1.1. Now phase 2 IPsec transform set. The command goes like this: crypto IPsec transform set VPN, give it the name VPN set, ESP AES 256 bit, and ESP SHA HMAC. Now we will be creating the crypto map. The command goes like this: crypto map. I'll call it VPN. Come on, VPN map. The sequence to insert into crypto map entry 10 IPsec camp. Now I want set the peer here, and the peer for this address is this here, 15.1.1.1, and set the transform set. We call it VPN set. Now to match address, the access list we created of 100, number 100. Here, let's exit. Now it's time to apply the crypto map we created to the outgoing interface on router 1, and which is serial 000 crypto map VPN map. So now, as you can see here, the crypto 6 IPsec camp on off, and it is on. Now we will exit from here, and everything we did on router 1, we will do the same here on router 3. So first, let's start with creating the access list of 100, and here we want to permit any internet protocol, and the source here is 172.16.1.0 with the inverse subnet mask of this, and the destination is 192.168.1.0 with the inverse subnet mask of 0.0.0.255. Now we are done with the access list. So let's start with the phase 1. Crypto IPsec camp policy. Now we want to configure the authentication, just the same as we did on router 1, pre-share, encryption, AES, 256-bit key, lifetime 3600, group, Diffie-Hellman group of 5, and the SHA, the hash. Now let's do the key, which we will be sharing it with our peer, which is router 1. The command goes like this: crypto, crypto camp, come on, key, and configure the key of Cisco. And we want to share it with the address now from router 3 is going to be this guy here of 10.1.1.1. 10.1.1.1. So we are done with the key. Now the IPsec transform set. And the command goes like this: crypto, IPsec, transform set, we call it VPN, set, ESP, AES, the 256-bit key, and ESP, SHA, HMAC. Now, let's work on the crypto map. And the command goes like this: crypto, map, VPN, map, the sequence to insert into crypto map entry, number 10, and IPsec, ISA camp. Now we want to set the peer. The peer is on router 1 of 10.1.1.1. The transform set of VPN set. Now we wanted to match address the access list we created of number 100. Exit from here. Now we want to apply the crypto map to the outgoing interface, which is serial 001 on router 3. Interface serial 0/0/1, crypto map, VPN map, and exit. Let's see now if we run the ping from PCA to PC1. Now we receive the reply. So we have the connection now between PCA to PC1 is encrypted and secured. So if we go to router 1 and run this command, exit from here, show crypto ISACamp SA. As you can see here, it's showing us the destination from router 1 is this interface of 15.1.1.1, and this is the source here, and the state is a quick mode and it's idle, and it is active. It's telling us it's active. Now run this command, show crypto IPsec SA, and here it's gonna show us, because we run that ping from PCA to PC1, packets encapsulate 3, packets encrypted were 3, and notice here it's showing the local crypto endpoint 10.1.1.1, remote crypto endpoint is 15.1.1.1. If I run this command also, show crypto ISACAM policy, and showing us the policy we configured, and also show crypto map, and this is showing us the map also we configured, and with the access list and what's the peer on router 1 on the other side of the tunnel, and with this interface or with this IP address, and this is the extended access list we created, and what traffic should be permitted to run through the VPN tunnel and to be encrypted and secured. And if we run the command again from here, and we receive the reply from PC1, and if I run this command again here, which is show crypto ISACAM, this command, and here it's showing us the other show crypto ISACAM SA, and also I want to run this command on router 3, show crypto ISACAM SA. It's active, and the destination from router 3 is this interface of 10.1.1.1, and the source is this interface, but the status is active, so the traffic will be going through from this network here to here. It will be encrypted. Now to run the command show crypto IPsec SA, is showing us, because I ran the ping twice from PCA to PC1, and showing us are the packets been encapsulated and encrypted, and the packet decapsulated and decrypted on this network. I hope you learned something from this video, and as I said, download the packet tracer source file that will give you this network here, and also download the lab walkthrough documents. It will tell you how to do this lab step by step. It's something really easy, just start simple, and everything is easy to, as long as you do it yourself, you will learn faster and better. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like the video, share it, and give me a thumb up, and I will see you soon in my next video. Have a nice day.